Ian from Aussie Tech. No, it's not. Start again. Hey guys, it's Ian from Ian's World. Got it right this time. I said Aussie Tech before. Well, I've been doing some Aussie Tech videos today. Doing some changes at Aussie Tech. Probably the biggest change is kind of like the main theme of the channel, and that is my theme of that. It's good what I said, that's right. Aussie Tech. Real world reviews and views of the latest technology. And what do I mean by that? Well, there are so many channels out there, tech channels, that have their really high quality editing. They've got a team behind them. DP Review, I like with their content. Gerald Undone, Philip Bloom, iPhodio. They all do really high quality tech videos. There's many others. And I thought, you know, I need to do mine a bit differently, because when they show their videos, they're always out there doing action stuff, and jet boating and motorbikes and all these other cool things. I don't really do any of that, and I think majority of people buying GoPros and stuff won't either. So that's why I said real world. I'm just going to be using them real world. Not going to be the best of quality in the edits and stuff like that, but they'll get you to get to see what these cameras are like out in the wild, being used normally, not high production values that most of these people do. So that's what I think I'm going to do for Aussie Tech. I've been thinking about that. I've just been out here to Port Brisbane, bought out the G9 with its zoom lens. There's a lot of penguins and wildlife and birds in the lake that's at Port Brisbane there, so I've got some good videos on that. I'm now going to go via Manly to do on the way home. It's 1 o'clock, so yeah, I'll miss the peak hour.